Hello, we are the Coral Crusaders, and this is our alternative coral restoration device. Our device consists of four main components: our storage, our water wheel, our suspension mechanism, and our flotation. So the basic structure of our device involves a clear acrylic frame that will allow for ease of viewing of all the internal components, since our device is a proof of concept. So it's important to us that the consumer is able to see what is happening with our mechanisms and components.
One of the core aspects of our design are these two water wheels that are mounted on either side. They're mounted on a threaded shaft and secured using nuts and washers. They're manufactured out of acrylic sidings with PLA internal structures for ease of manufacturing, and as these spin, they power the inner dropping device, which we'll now proceed to describe.
Connected with a one-to-one axle to these water wheels is our internal dropping mechanism, which you can see here. So this is connected to the axle, and it operates very similarly to how a gumball machine works. So we have an inner wheel here, which has a golf ball-sized hole in it. So as the golf balls flow down the tube, you can see that the ball flows into the internal wheel here. And then as that wheel spins, it will drop it out a bottom hole in the floor of the acrylic here. So each time the wheel spins, a golf ball comes into the inner wheel, it drops out the bottom, the wheel comes back, and a new ball is loaded in.
To feed the golf balls into the dropping mechanism, we use an elevated funnel-shaped bowl. This ensures the maximum capacity of golf balls, but also the funnel allows us to feed it into a much smaller duct. This duct then uses gravity, because the bowl is elevated, to feed it into the dropping mechanism, where it's then dispensed into the ocean.
And finally, we have flotation. We specifically used EPS insulation foam, and with our foam with a size of 16 inches by 30 inches by 2 inches, we can carry up a weight up to 55 pounds without this sinking in the water. As we weight our device, it is only 20 pounds without these golf balls, but with the golf balls, that's only 25 pounds, and so our device can easily float on the water. Also, within this foam, we attached a hook to allow this device to be towed behind a boat.
In conclusion, our restoration device will efficiently dispense pellets to effectively restore the Florida Keys Reef.